Meet the Smiths. Dave and Janet have worked hard over the years to acquire a good retirement nest egg, college funds for their kids, a nice home, and a beautiful vacation property. Janet is concerned about their future though, because her best friend Gloria was recently hit with a financial loss which devastated her family. Gloria's oldest son James was driving back from college one weekend in the family car and was involved in a terrible vehicle accident. James was okay, but the other party had major medical injuries and property damage. James, being a student, was included on their auto policy and was cited to be at fault. As a result, James and his parents were sued under the family purpose doctrine and were found negligent. The judge ruled in favor of the other party for several $million. Like most people, Gloria only had a basic motor vehicle liability policy with standard limits and was unaware of the legal exposures she and her family faced by having such inadequate coverage and poor professional advice. Their policy was not enough to cover the monetary judgment imposed by the court. As a consequence, a lien was placed on their house and their savings were depleted. They were also forced to take out a loan to cover the remaining balance. Gloria's family lost everything they'd worked so hard for and were now starting from scratch with only a few years from retirement. They never realized that James' actions could be their responsibility. Gloria told Janet that she wished she had paid more attention to her insurance and received better advice in order to protect their net worth. Janet told Dave what had happened and insisted that they not put their family at risk of losing everything too. She set up a meeting with Knight International, who specializes in personal risk management, which helps individuals and families protect their net worth and personal assets by truly understanding all of their exposures. Knight International has since reviewed all of Smith's policies, limits, and family risks, and have implemented the appropriate coverage to protect this from happening to them. And because of multiple policy discounts and competitive pricing, Knight International was able to do this with little or no cost to the Smiths. Janet and Dave now have received the coverage and professional advice they need to protect their hard-earned assets and enable them to plan for their future with confidence. Don't let a minor insurance decision turn into a major problem. Contact Knight International today to discover how you can protect your net worth from unexpected loss.